H2Go. That's what Plug Power and its supporters seem to be thinking as Price prepares for another attempt over 250. Now, as we wait to see how this latest hydrogen high jump attempt plays out, mark April 16th on your calendars because that's when Plug Power's new CEO, Jose Luis Crespo, will host a live Reddit AMA, giving the public a chance to ask questions about the company's strategy, operations, and the broader hydrogen economy. The session will focus on Plug's direction under new leadership and how it plans on scaling operations and building a fully integrated hydrogen ecosystem spanning production, storage, delivery, and end-use applications. Crespo, who became CEO in March 2026 after serving as President and Chief Revenue Officer, is stepping in during a pivotal time for both Plug Power and the hydrogen industry, as green hydrogen begins scaling from pilot projects to large industrial deployments. His top priority is turning Plug's technological leadership into sustainable profitability. The company is targeting positive EBITDA by late 2026, operating income in 2027, and full profitability by 2028, building on growth and improved margins achieved in 2025. Plug's strategy centers on three core business areas: electrolyzers, hydrogen production, and fuel cell solutions, especially for logistics customers like Amazon and BMW. Large-scale projects are key to this plan. For example, a 100-megawatt electrolyzer project with Galp in Portugal and a 25-megawatt system with Iberdrola and BP in Spain demonstrate that green hydrogen is now commercially viable at industrial scale. On top of generating revenue, these projects also improve efficiency and margins over time through operational learning. Europe is a major growth market for Plug due to strong regulatory support, carbon pricing, and government-backed hydrogen strategies that create near-term demand. So while Plug is active globally, it prioritizes investment where the business case is strongest. To make green hydrogen more competitive, Crespo highlighted three critical factors: lowering electricity costs, improving electrolyzer efficiency, and reducing capital costs for hydrogen plants. Plug benefits from operating its own hydrogen production facilities, allowing it to continuously refine its technology based on real-world data, an advantage few competitors have. Although government incentives such as U.S. tax credits help accelerate adoption, Crespo emphasized that Plug's long-term strategy does not depend on subsidies. Instead, he explained Plug is focused on cost reduction, scalability, and reliability to compete on fundamental economics. Then, aside from its long-term vision on the horizon, Plug recently secured a major project in Canada through a contract to supply a 275-megawatt electrolyzer system for Hy2gen's Courant project in Quebec, producing low-carbon ammonia and ammonium nitrate for the mining industry.